nature speaks through other dimensions. At the moment of my spiritual awakening, I experienced a string of low-level clouds seemingly spring to life. While sitting quietly in meditation in the deep reaches of stone temples such as Angkor Wat in Cambodia, I've sensed the spiraling of energy in and about me. Placing my hands on boulders and trees, I've intuited feelings of energy, pressure, vibrations, and their omnipotent center. Have you ever paused to listen to the ethereal song of trees as they dance in the rain? Could their heightened radiance during such moments also be a beautiful reflection of the sheer delight they seem to exude? Were my experiences simply imagination, or were they my accessing another, more essential dimension where all things can communicate? I tend to favor the latter for how real the experiences seemed and their relative consistency. If you haven't had these experiences yet, spend more time in nature, and while doing so, minimize inputs from your other senses by finding a quiet and comfortable place, meditating and listening to what the universe is whispering to you.